What's up, people? I'm Chibuzo Wanchuku. I suppose you must have heard that Uganda just signed one of the harshest LGBTQ plus bills in the world into law. This includes death penalty for aggravated homosexuality and 20 years of imprisonment for promoting the LGBTQ plus thing. That has left people that practice that lifestyle in Uganda scared and threatened. Also, the bill has received foreign criticism from people, including President Joe Biden, who labeled it as a shameful act. Before I continue, I'll roll the clips.
Uganda's president is drawing international condemnation after signing one of the world's toughest anti-LGBTQ laws. Same-sex relations were already illegal in Uganda, but the new law goes much further, including death sentences for, quote, aggravated homosexuality and 20 years in jail for promoting homosexuality. One LGBTQ activist worries there's no hope.
Where do you want us to go? You are arresting us for literally doing nothing, for simply existing, but where are we supposed to go? How did we become refugees in our own countries?
Uganda receives billions of dollars in foreign aid each year and could now face international sanctions. In a new statement that was released just minutes ago from President Biden, it says in part, this shameful act is the latest development in an alarming trend of human rights abuses and corruption in Uganda. The dangers posed by this democratic backsliding are a threat to everyone residing in Uganda, including U.S. government personnel.
You could call that shameful, as President Joe Biden would. However, what counts is the decision was made democratically. Uganda has the right to make its own laws. Whatever goes on there is between the government and its people. No other country has any right ruling Uganda or telling its government what to do. You may call that bill or law a violation of human rights, but I'll tell you this. So far as there are no LGBTQ rights there are no rights. And therefore, that does not violate anything. In America, you can practice homosexuality or transgenderism. But when you go into a country where it is legal, your rights are gone. If you come back to America or go to any other country where it's legal, your rights reappear. But as long as you stay in a country against the LGBTQ whatever thing, you have no right living that lifestyle. As you could see, the people that practice the LGBTQ plus thing are upset. That activist you saw, Delovi Kwagala, was crying in fear. It looked to her like she has no place to go. If she actually had no place to go, then she should know what to do. She and those other activists should give up their lifestyle. If all those people actually have no place to go, what about USA? President Joe Biden supports the LGBTQ thing. You know what? If he does, why would he not bring them over to the USA? Why would he instead bring lots of people from Latin American countries illegally, like Mexico, Argentina, Honduras, and so on? Why would he find it okay for them to go across the border and give them chance to apply for citizenship or for green card or whatever? Those people are not in danger. They come over here for opportunities. The LGBTQs in Africa, well, in African countries where the thing is not legal, I mean, the LGBTQ thing is not legal, are in danger. They are in danger. The reason Biden would not grant them asylum is that he doesn't really care about Black people. He doesn't like them. He uses the LGBTQ thing as a weapon against the Africans, not just because of their skin color, but also in order to get rid of them and get the resources, like steal them and perhaps steal the continent. That's what he's up to. He weaponizes the LGBTQ thing against Africans, just as he does against the Blacks in America, which explains the Black transgender Women Lives Matter. He targets Blacks, especially the men. Kwagala, the activist, and the other activists should know what to do. Staying alive is more important than practicing homosexuality or transgenderism. Homosexuality or transgenderism is a crime doesn't mean that being gay is a crime or being LGBTQ is a crime. Homosexuality is a behavior. It's not the same thing as being gay. Being gay is just a preference. Also, dressing as someone of the opposite sex is not the same thing as being not happy with one's biological sex. The bill, which became law, does not include penalizing people just for identifying as LGBTQ+. Yes, before it had it. That was before the bill got sent back to the legislation. Yes, the bill was sent back for a bunch of things, including the criminalization of identifying as LGBTQ+. That got out of the bill, which it had to, in order for the bill to become law. Just living that lifestyle is the problem. So the people that practice it should give it up and acknowledge USA to be deceptive about that lifestyle. Share your thoughts. I would appreciate you liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.